YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the freaking channel. So today we're gonna, I got a bunch of stuff to do, but we gotta go pick up a trailer because I need to be able to get my car places and I need to be able to get the Civic places. So I bought and sold probably in my time on this wonderful earth, probably 100 trailers. Right now, got a flat trailer, small enclosed trailer. I had a 28-foot enclosed. I had a 36-foot double car. We've had all sorts of trailers, and one thing that right now, when you buy a trailer, you should never ever lose money on a trailer. So if you need a trailer for something, you literally can almost buy them brand new, take good care of them, maybe add a couple $100 for stuff to them, and then resell them and make money. So that is the name of the game. Don't lose money. Don't buy stuff that depreciates if you're planning to sell it. Now, if you're planning to drive it, like, you know, my Lambo, obviously that's depreciating because I beat the crap out of it. So yeah, it's a little advice. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go look at this trailer. I'm excited, super excited to see what it's all about. Another thing we're doing right now, check this out. Boom! This is a end of World War II 75th anniversary American Eagle silver dollar. So this these launched. If you don't follow Jeff, JR Garage, JR Business, JR Aviation, he will put up videos. He'll put up little nuggets that if you listen and you do what he says, he is in this business, coin collecting. He will give you all the information, how to log in, how to get a account set up with the US Mint, and how to make a ton of money. Like literally for doing nothing except for getting online, sitting there, ordering. So this one was ordered. I actually didn't get one. I had to buy this from someone else, but they're about 83 bucks, and we're gonna make 200 bucks off it. So I'm not, but it's but I'm helping them. All right, so we just pulled up here. Took a look at the trailer. There were some decals and stuff on it. I'll probably add some anyway. And the guy told me I could just take it. He's not here yet. And then he would meet me later if I wanted it. He trusted me, went through, looked through, you know, social media and saw that like I'm a legit person. I'm easy to find. But we're gonna run grab some food. Hopefully he comes back soon, or he'll be back soon. You know, the doors were locked, so I couldn't go inside. Trailer is locked and loaded. This thing is sweet. Unfortunately, the freaking door came open. So we're gonna fix that, or it looked like it was open. Huh, it wasn't open, but it looks open. It looks super open. So here's the trailer. Let's we're gonna go see if the car fits. Oh man, super sketchy door situation. There's another reason we bought this trailer. Every year we do, me, a couple buddies, my buddy sets it up. We do a Thanksgiving Day give back where we feed, I think last year we fed over 100 families, over 400 people. And what we do, this year's gonna be a little different because of this COVID nonsense. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go pick up, we've bought 150 turkeys, 150 pies. We're working with the local food shelf, and we are going to set up with the new trailer. Freaking awesome. It's my favorite thing I do all year. We always use my big trailer, and I forgot that I got rid of my my last big trailer. So we now have this bad boy. I did some work on it last night. I wanted to show you guys. Tore my hands up because when I bought this thing, it's a year old, 2 years old. It only thing it had wrong with it was there was a little crack here in these. Super common, but this door was really flexible. So I whipped this piece up last night, and then I put some latches on it on the outside. We got to get all this stuff off. I don't know if I'm gonna have someone do that, or maybe just before they wrap it. And then it is gonna go in, and there's gonna be something super sweet. I get to do a lot of really cool things, and this is by far one of the coolest things I get to do every year, and it's just incredible. So Ryan's been doing this for 6 years. This is the 6th year of this, and I am this is my third or fourth year helping him out with it. And yeah, we've partnered with the Five Loaves Food Shelf over here in New Richmond, Wisconsin. They do a ton of stuff for the community here, and then they work with us, or we work with them, and we bring in the turkeys, we bring in the pies. Today we couldn't get pies, apparently you can't get pies, so we got cookies, rolls, all that good stuff. And then we are going to, they've got the bags all prepped and ready to go in here, we think. And this year's gonna be different because of COVID. They have to do kind of a drive-through, so we're gonna see how it goes. Here's the man behind the plan. So is it 6 years?
Yes, number 6.
Yeah. 6 years. And I think I've been doing it with you for 3 or 4?
Yeah, 3 or 4 at least.
Yeah, it's sweet. I look forward to this day every single year. We scrambled this year because I had sold my big trailer, and now we scrambled and got this 2 days ago. That's fun. And now we're ready to go. So what got you started in this?
Fun story. Actually, it all started with a church down the road. And we said, hey, let's do a give back. And we just started it with 10 families. And funny story, that 10 families was like 14 or maybe 15 that year. And so we drove around and we said, okay, you know what? I want to drop these off, you know, and spend some time. Long story short, it took us 2 days, like driving around nonstop and drop off 15 meals. So we said there has to be an easier way. So the following year, we got like around 50, or it was actually around the 55 mark, and we gave them away at the church right outside this shed. So picture this, right? This has been one of the nicest weathers, but we're in the pandemic, so we're doing outside. But 5 years ago was that brutal winter when we had that opener. It was literally the coldest it's ever been up for an opener in like 50 years. Anyway, so I'm out giving out these turkeys in a shed, and then the old person that used to run this place, she actually went to a different food shelf. But anyway, she was awesome because she went over there, met me, picked them all up, because we had like 10-15% of people that didn't get their turkeys. And we find that's a theme every year. We have 10-15-20% of people that don't pick them up, but they still need them, so we store them and they pick them up when they pick up their food shelf items. But anyway, so the last 4 years we've been out of this location. Typically we're doing it inside, and I'm not good at organizing, so the funny part is I just walk in and we do our thing, but they have people in charge that have a check-in process and, you know, make sure that they can go on to the family size and distribute the meal. So it's pretty intricate. I can't comment on how that works. We just pass out turkeys, have fun, and that's all I'm good for.
So here's what we got. We end up with about 100, and what did it end up with for turkeys?
So it's 130
smaller ones, which still aren't smaller. I mean, they're still in the 10-pound range.
Right. And then we have some that are, I think, 15 to 20 pounds, and there's 16 of those.
Yeah, and then there's the big ones for the families with more people, and then we got rolls, and then here's our cookies we had to do because they couldn't do the box. All right, so that was absolutely incredible. Always a good time, always awesome to see, always such a pleasure to do. Now we are going to get the trailer washed and hopefully get as much of these old decals off, and then I got something special for you. The trailer is not going to look like this for very long.